I'm Anna, the CEO of the HVAC Guys. We are a family-owned and operated business in La Habra, California. Here at the HVAC Guys, we care about our customers. With more than 15 years of experience in the HVAC industry, the HVAC Guys leads the way in providing quality heating and air conditioning services in Orange County. We are committed to keeping our customers cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Let us exceed your expectations with our personalized services, which include installation, maintenance, and repair. To learn more about our company, please visit our website.